morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, my people, any which part of the world on the day. Today me dey at the Accompong Festival. But me no have no memories of that because when me was a picnic, me just hear about them and sing thing too. So just like you, me no know if you don't have any memory. And if you don't have any memory, drop a line below me, Mama Selva here. But I will go through the festival and I will collect little memories and we will share them with you. As always, Mama Selva, have a beautiful morning, afternoon, evening or night, any which part of the world over there. Make me go start the tour of the festival.
Here in honor of our ancestors to lay this wreath to commemorate 287 years of freedom. And today remember how strong we are. When we look around and we see one another, we know that we have a brother and a sister beside us. Today is a reminder that this stands for something and we should not allow it to fall for anything. So I call on each and every one of you, stand tall in your courage, stand tall in your culture, believe in who you are, put everything and every might to make it this 2025 a defining year for
Yeah.